Hello po! Paano po ba gamitin ang gelatin? Hi champs! It's me again, Jed, your Tindera/Tindera of Jedder's Green Dahan. And welcome to another episode of... Dito ay sinasagot natin ang mga tanong nyo tungkol sa Green Dahan products. Ang featured product natin for today ay... gelatin. Ang tanong, hello po, paano po ba gamitin ang gelatin? Hahaha, huhuhu. Siyempre, kailangan medyo express natin yan. No, pa-help daw. Okay, madali-madali lang po. Ito lang po instructions natin. You need hot water and tap water. So, all you need to do is dissolve 3 teaspoons of gelatin to 1/2 cup of hot water. So, kailangan po mainit siya, dissolve niyo muna doon. Pag okay na siya, na-dissolve niya, tsaka niyo siya dadagdagan ng tubig or tap water. Gaano po karami? 1.5 cups of water to make it 2 cups of jelly. At pagkatapos po nun, refrigerate until the gelatin sets. Okay, so madali lang po yun. Sorry sa... wala po kasi kami instruction sa package itself, pero meron na po next time. So, okay. Nasagot na po yung tanong nyo, how to use our gelatin. If you have any other questions about the Green Dahan products, just message us or comment down below. Alright, so till our next product review.